Guys, we've had such an impact with Creative Cubes here in Adelaide that it was time we actually introduced Adelaide to Corporate Cubes. Guys, welcome to 100 King William Street here in Adelaide, South Australia, home to Corporate Cubes. So guys, Corporate Cubes, same services, same experience, just a little tailored for the corporate audience. Business lounges, private meeting rooms, private offices, dedicated desks, and a really nice, classy way to bring your clients into your workspace.